Why are you acting like a fool? I'm walking around you where it's cool. Please tell me how you stay so cool. Ooh, ooh, ooh. So why you acting like a fool? Trying my best to get you. Sometimes I feel that you're just cruel. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Could you give me a sign or maybe write me a letter? I just wanna get closer to feel the heat of your sweater. But why? Why can't you just fall in love? You are what I'm looking for. I know what I'm looking for. I had a dream about you last night. We're getting drunk at the local bar. I grab you close to my body, feeling the temperature.
So hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Alice Umalo. If you are new here and joining me for the first time, please click the subscribe button down below, somewhere down below, and become part of my family. And if you are a regular subscriber of this channel, thank you for coming back. Thank you for choosing my channel yet again. So guys, today I am back with another video. It is the 22nd of November. Yes, it is the 22nd of November. It is somewhere late in the afternoon. I just came back from work. I knock off at 5 o'clock, so it is somewhere around 5:30 to 6. So I came back, and then it is cold. It was raining in the afternoon. Now it is a bit cold, so I am cooking chicken feet. I'm craving chicken feet and pap today. Am I craving it, or is it because it is my it is actually my favorite meal to have. So yeah, I am cooking chicken feet, and I want to bake some biscuits. Whenever it is cold, I want to bake some biscuits, but because I don't normally show you when I'm cooking. I'm just gonna show you what I do after shift. Yes, after I came back from shift, this is what I basically do. And guys, I got myself this from Shein. Isn't it cute? My latest Shein order. I bought these May your days be merry and bright. Yes, can you see that? No, but I'll insert a picture of it on the side. I bought it from Shein. I think it was 20 rand or something. It is made on top of a wood. It was just painted and decorated. I'm preparing myself for vlogmas. Yes, I'm preparing myself for vlogmas. So today I'm basically gonna do a late afternoon with me, because I wanted to do this. I wanted this to be a vlog, like where I vlog a week vlog, but I was so tired. And I couldn't do it. So I think today I've got the power or the energy to do it. So I'm just gonna show you guys what I do in the afternoon. But basically it's gonna be a one day, because tomorrow I am planning to unbraid my hair. I've had this hairstyle for almost a month now, so I want to unbraid my hair, and I want to do a nighttime skin routine with you guys. So yeah, let's just do today's video. Today's video is basically gonna be me lazing around, but I'm not gonna be talking most of the video, so you guys will just have to see what I do. And I'm not even gonna show you when baking. I'm just gonna show you the end results, because if you've been watching my channel for a while now, I think you already know how I bake my scones, how I bake my biscuits. So all those regular things I'm gonna be doing that, and then I'm basically gonna be showing you guys what I do, but I'm not gonna be talking in the video. I'm just gonna play music in the background and then you guys can just watch. So yeah.
You told me I'm your anchor, I told you you're my pole. Through the wind and fire we try to hold on. We built this ship together, searching for a home. Despite the storm that hit us, we're still on board. Dancing in the moonlight, the world just stopped and stares. We got no destination, I'll take you anywhere. All the doors we've opened and all the books we've closed. Words just come together, story that we never told. So far you're shaking for my own. You said just keep holding on. If you're about to break, oh, I'll always be your captain. From our failures we have grown. You said just keep holding on. If you're about to break, oh, I'll always be your captain. I'll be your captain. I'll always be your captain. I'll always be your captain. I told you you're my pole. Through the wind and fire we tried to hold on. All the doors we've opened and all the books we've closed. Words that come together, a story that we never told. So far you're shaking for my own. You said just keep holding on. If you're about to break, oh, I'll always be your captain. From our failures we have grown. You said just keep holding on. If you're about to break, oh, I'll always be your captain. Be your captain. I'll always be your captain.
I'm on the search to find it. I may insist, but I'll overcome. 'Cause I'm an optimist. It keeps me coming back. When you call me, it's like an echo. I hear it running through my blood. If I'm feeling it, then I don't stand a chance. Oh, 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 don't stand a chance. We never stand a chance.
to stand a chance. Don't stand a chance. I feel the night behind me. I can't be fooled, but I put up a fight. 'Cause I'm an optimist. Just keep me coming back. When you call me, it's a kind of go. I hear it running through my.
So this is the first batch of my biscuits. I think I am left with two. Oh yeah, I'm left with two more to do, and then I'll be done. But I'm still cooking the chicken feet. Yeah, I tasted one. Yeah, I'm still left with chicken feet to finish cooking, and then I changed my mind. I'm gonna cook rice. So I'm still gonna cook rice, and then I'm also gonna cook a butternut, as you saw me peeling it. So I'm also gonna cook a butternut. But this is it. My first batch. I wanted to do this small decoration with the measure. I was doing this small decoration with the measure. I did not want to use a fork. So yes. They're very cute. I am done cooking. So here's my food, guys. Look how cute. Mm. 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 Let me just sit down and dig in. So I'm still cooking my butternut. But I'm way too hungry. So I'm just gonna eat it like this, and then I'll show you the butternut after I am done. So I hope you are subscribed. I hope you like the video, and I hope you share it. I'm gonna show you the. So I'm waiting for the last one.
14 men, 2 women. The ANC branches have spoken and the nominations are in for the top 6.
So yeah. But my food, guys, you should see my plate. I am done with my butternut. It is now fully cooked, and then my lunch for tomorrow, I just need to put some few extras, and then I'll be done. Yep, I will be done. I will be done with my butternut, and then I am done baking as well. So this is the mess that I have to clean up. I'll definitely do it tomorrow. I am tired. I'm gonna sleep today.